Hi everyone, this is a review of the VTech Touch Teach Sea Turtle interactive learning book in green. I purchased this item because I wanted a fun and educational toy for my child that could keep her engaged and help her with her learning. I've been using this interactive learning book for the past 3 months now, and it's become a staple in our daily playtime routine. I like to use this for interactive learning sessions with my child, as it combines fun activities with educational content. Some of the features include the light up star buttons. So for this, that plays music, and the different pages with the sensitive areas for interactive play, with over 225 songs, melodies, sounds, and phrases. It covers a wide range of topics, including letters, numbers, and shapes, making it a comprehensive learning tool. My experience with this so far has been very positive. My child is captivated by the bright colours and engaging sounds, and I've noticed significant improvements in her recognition of letters and numbers. And the book is very durable, which is a big plus. And I like how they're easy to turn by just scrubbing the tabs here. Now I'll give you a little demonstration on how it works. So we got the off button, ABCs, the learning one, and the music. And then we've got up here, this one here will ask different questions. Doesn't matter what setting you have it on.
Can you find the penguin?
And different songs. We also got the little fidget angelfish on the side, and different types of keys that focus on various activities and different things with each setting that you will change it on. So once I turn the pages, it says the alphabet when you have it on the alphabet setting. These ones will the keys will focus on numbers, and so on. The stars will tell you the letters.
A is for angelfish. B is for blue whale. C is for crab. D is for dolphin.
Now when I do put it on this setting here,
I'm ready to explore.
the explore button,
I'm a little
she'll sing her song. Now it will feature, the keys will feature the animals when you do
blue whale.
put it on that setting,
Angelfish. Penguin.
and these stars
Fish is small.
will focus on animals as well.
Whale is big. Crab has 2 claws. Can you find the dolphin?
So that's really fun.
I'm ready to explore.
And then when we put it on the music notes, it's like the proper piano keys. And she'll sing some songs, and each star will play a different tune. Now when I open the book, there'll be different songs or sounds.
Music time.
And you can turn it, the volume a bit higher if you want to, or lower. Just just by turning that. Switching the little yellow, little orange button. Now here's a sound box. I do love how there's a handle, making it easier to carry around when you're out and about and you'd like to take that out with you wherever you may go. It's just so helpful. I highly recommend the VTech Touch and Teach Turtle interactive learning book. It's an excellent investment for parents looking to combine fun and learning all in one. It's been a wonderful addition to our learning tools and has provided countless hours of entertainment and learning from my child.